MS-13 is blamed for terrorizing residents in several Long Island communities and across the country. A violent organization responsible for murders and drug violence is now being accused of threatening to kill a Long Island police officer.
We're doubling up the cars that surround the area, both in the 5th and the 1st precinct. And after a conversation tonight with our Crime Stoppers board, we are now offering a $25,000 reward.
Nassau County Police Commissioner Patrick Ryder, speaking during a Thursday night news conference in Mineola, says an informant tipped them off to the first threat, adding they also learned about a second suspected gang member trying to make good on that threat to assassinate a cop in Hempstead.
It is important, imperative, that we know, our police officers know, that we're there protecting them. But more importantly, that we're going to put the resources behind to protect them.
This heightened level of awareness and enforcement comes after police arrested the alleged East Coast boss of MS-13, Miguel Angel Correa Diaz, nicknamed the Reaper, from El Salvador, and allegedly in charge of a multi-million-dollar, multi-city drug empire. As for the ongoing threats against law enforcement, Commissioner Ryder says there is only one way to respond.
He chose his victims like the Grim Reaper, leaving murder and mayhem in